Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to prevent your laptop from overheating. If your laptop or desktop frequently gets hot, you can use that technique to lower system heat. Nearly all laptop owners have had this experience. You are working on your computer when all of a sudden your hands start to feel almost sweaty, and the heat seems to be radiating from your keyboard. Many recent laptops feature overheating fail-safes, which turn them off before they reach risky temperatures. If the fan on your computer is starting to run more frequently, close any and all resource-intensive programs that you are not using right away. For instance, if you are using Google Chrome, Adobe Photoshop, and Microsoft Excel, close out the other two programs and solely use Photoshop until you've completed your assignment. There are numerous third-party programs available that can help you in identifying the applications that are slowing down your PC and heating up. On a Mac, select the Activity menu. View your computer's CPU consumption by selecting the Energy option under the Monitor menu. To solve the problem of the computer heating up, we will set up power management to reduce the power supply today. An extensive and system-wide collection of power management features are available with the Windows operating system. This makes it possible for systems to increase battery life, conserve energy, cut down on heat and noise, and improve data reliability. This is a suitable method for reducing PC and Windows 10 overheating issues. The Windows 10 processor power management algorithms implement OS-level functionality that enables the OS to effectively employ the platform's processing resources by balancing the user's performance and energy-saving requirements. Here, you can change the speed of your CPU to conserve energy and control how the PC cooling system operates. The actual procedure is fairly simple to carry out. Simply type Control Panel into your computer's search bar, which is conveniently located next to the Start or Windows options, and then select Control Panel. The computer control panel is now open. Click after doing a search for power options. Now, you can see, choose or customize a power plan, balanced, at the bottom of it, and change plan setting on the right. Click it to modify your computer's power settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings, located at the bottom of the Change Settings for Plan page. Click Processor Power Management, which is the fourth to last option after scrolling down the Advanced Options panel. To extract the power management processor, select the Add option. Extract the third option once more, which is the processor's maximum state. Click the plus sign, choose on battery, and lower the value from 100% to 75%. Identical with the plug-in, decreased it from 100% to 75%. Now extract System Cooling Policy, which is the second option of the processor power management. Extract it by clicking the plus sign and selecting on battery, and changing passive into active. Same with plugged in, change passive into active. To finish your processor power management, click Apply and OK. If your plugged in is currently active, there is no need to alter it. It is a really effective method of consuming less power. I really hope you like my video. In that case, remember to subscribe. Being new, I need your support to succeed. I'll see you at the next one, and in the meantime, take care of yourself.